Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mirror or flip an image horizontally or vertically in Photoshop. Begin first by opening up the image that you want to flip in Photoshop. As you can see, I've got a picture of the Giga Chad, or in this case maybe Handsome Chad might be more appropriate. If your image has a padlock symbol, you might want to remove that first, so I'm just going to navigate to my layers section. I'm going to click on the layer that contains the image that I want to flip. So in my case, it's layer 2. I'm going to click on the padlock symbol here to unlock it. Once you've got the layer selected that contains your image, navigate to the top tabs of Photoshop and click on Image. Look for where it says Image Rotation and hover on it, and then you can see a number of options to mirror or flip or even rotate your image. I want to flip this image horizontally, so I'm going to click on Flip Canvas Horizontal. And there we go, the Giga Chad is now looking to the left instead of the right. If I wanted to flip it vertically, I'll just repeat the process by clicking on Image, clicking on Image Rotation, and then clicking Flip Canvas Vertical. Now I don't want that, so I'm going to flip it back, going to click on Image, hover over Image Rotation again, and then I'm going to click on Flip Canvas Vertical, just to go back to the horizontal flip. Now you can use short keys on Photoshop to undo. However, I just want to demonstrate the whole action of mirroring an image in various ways. Okay, let's say you want to add an image to this image and you want to rotate it. Then what you'll need to do is open the image as another layer. So I'm just going to restore down my Photoshop app and I'm going to add the duck meme image here by left clicking on it, holding and letting go. Maximize the Photoshop app by clicking on the maximize button here. And as you can see, the duck meme image has now been added as a layer called duck meme into Photoshop. So to flip or mirror this image and this image only, not all the layers, what you'll need to do is right click on it while it's highlighted and then select the type of flip that you would like to do. So I would like to flip it horizontally. And now what I'm going to do is resize this image. So I'm going to replace the Giga Chad's face with a duck meme image by holding shift and using my mouse to resize the image. I'm going to place it on his head, just going to rotate it a bit here. There we go. It's now Duck Chad, not Giga Chad. Fix it a bit more. There we go, there we go. Don't want to be a perfectionist. Let's leave him with a little bit of hair. And then I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard to place it. And there we go. The Giga Chad has now become the Giga Duck Handsome Chad. Alright guys, so that concludes the video on how to mirror or flip an image horizontally or vertically in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?